Good day, guys. Bing here. Today we're going to have a look at this one. So, can't give formula to avoid when constraints are not satisfied. Okay, so let's have a look. Because I don't have this family in front of me, I think from the look of it, because you can see this void is not centered to the reference plane. I guess it's they are probably just void inside of this family. So I think that might be the reason. So actually, let's just quickly. I believe if we use a phase-based void and nest it into a family, and we can make it work. Okay, so let's quickly. So just going to quickly create a family just like that one, similar to that one. Okay, so first we're going to use a generic model template. So to create we need to, so first floor plan, we need to create some reference plan. Okay, so and then dimension and dimension. Okay, and then so this will be the depth and this will be the width. So let's create a parameter, so let's call it d. Okay, and then create another parameter, let's call it width, and then go to elevation. So create another reference plan, so RP reference plan, do another dimension, DI dimension, and then create a height parameter. Okay, so now we can just create a, let's go back to floor plan and create a extrusion, use a rectangle, and from there here to here, and then lock. Okay, and go back to the front elevation, finish this, drag this, and lock. So now we have a, so this is a basically this is the panel. So we just need to go to family types, so we can change. So for example, the depth, let's make it maybe 100 mil, height maybe 2400, width maybe 900, and click apply. So you will see this is the panel. Maybe that not that thick, maybe 12 mil. Okay, so now the next step is we're going to create a phase-based void family and then load it into this. So let's create a new family, go down to general model, phase-based. Okay, and then open. So now we're going to create a void extrusion. We're going to use circle and just draw it here, and then I'm going to add a dimension di and use diameter, and then select this dimension to create a parameter. Let's call it maybe dia. Okay, so type and okay. So now we can change it now. So maybe I'll make it 20 mil. So, and also we need to check the depth. So let's finish this, go to 3D view. So you can see this is the base. Currently it's just extrusion up, so it's outside of the base. So to in order to make this void to cut the base, we need to change this one to a negative number. So if you need to change the depth of the this void, so you can create a parameter, but for this exercise I'm going to just type give it maybe negative 20. Okay, and then next so we need to use cut geometry and click on the base, click on this void. So this will cut a hole in this base. So if I change to thin line, if you type TL, so we'll see that's the void. Okay, so now we can load this one into that family. So and then go to elevation, and then we can place this onto this panel. So you can see if I place it here, it will straight cut a hole on this panel straight away. So if I go to 3D view, that's it. Okay, so right, so that's it. So now the next step is we need to create some reference planes to so we can adjust the offset of this void, and also we are going to create some arrays with some parameters, so it will change when the size of this panel changes. Okay, so let's add some reference plane. So for example here, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, and then add some dimension. Okay, oops, just make sure, so try to always dimension at the reference plane. Okay, so reference plane, and then let's add a parameter. So I'll just call it offset. So this will be the offset of the void, the holes. So I'm going to just change it to maybe 100. Okay, so now we can use AL, align, and lock, and again lock. So now this will be the location of the first void, and then we can use AR, array. So, or you can just go here, array, and then click here roughly. So just roughly place it here. Oh, and also just use the last. Okay, use last. So now we can align the last one onto these two reference plane as well. So now we have, if you select one, you will see this is an array, so with number 2. So we just need to click on this one, and then here label and add parameter. So this will be the number. So I'm going to just call it maybe number 1. Okay, so and okay, and then we just need to add a formula to it. But let's go to family types. So first we need to add another parameter, so we can control the spacing between these voids. Okay, so let's create a new. So I'll call it spacing. Okay, and okay, and then maybe just type in a number. So for example 100, and then number equals. So this offset. So this is overall height minus 2 times offset. So what's rest? What's the the rest? And then divide by spacing. And I think we need to plus 1. So let's do it. Bracket h bracket h minus offset times 2. So this will be the length in the middle part from here to here, and then divide by spacing. Just make sure you match the sorry, a little bit running nose, sorry. Yeah, just make sure it match all the lowercase, uppercase, lowercase. Yeah, and plus 1. So now apply, and then that's it. So let's have a look. DI dimension, and yeah, that's 100. So let's have a test. If we need to change the spacing to 150 and see what happens. Yeah. So yeah, I think that's fine. 147, which means 150 is probably the maximum. So yeah, I think that will be fine. So okay, the next step is so horizontal one. So select this one, AR again. So roughly place it here, and AL align and lock, and AL align lock. So yeah, just double just make sure AR, when AR, just in this scenario we using a last. Okay, so by default sometimes it's second, but for this one we need to use last. Okay, so and then for this one we need another number, so it will be different, right? So because this time we're going to use width. Okay, use width for this. So now go to family types. Oh, hang on, sorry. We need to create a parameter first, right? So select this, go to label, add a parameter. So let's call it a number 2. Oh, sorry, 2. And okay, so go to family types. And okay, so this one, so it's exactly the same. Control C, or not exactly the same, sorry. Very similar, just replace the H with a W. So this apply, and then that's it. So let's have a look. Yeah, I think that's okay. So if I change this one to 100, yeah, all good, right? So yeah, so let's do this one again. AR. So see last. Just click roughly here, and then click roughly here. So, and also I like to when I do array, I always intentionally just do not directly place this one on here. I always offset a little bit, so it will be easier for me to try to align this onto this. So because if it's already there, sometimes it's a little bit hard to pick all the reference planes. Okay, so yeah, so this one will be the same, so we can use this exactly same parameter. So let's use number 1. So now we have another array. Okay, so and then the last one, so this one's slightly different, so I'll show you why. Okay, so AR here to here, and try to align, no problem. And this one, okay, so we have some issue here. So you can see Revit won't let us to place another one here, because when we place this one here, we need a base, but there's already a void there, so which means there's no solid part there to be cut by another void. So it won't work. That's fine. So what we can do is so actually I've already aligned this onto this reference plane, so it looks like we need to move it away. We can let's try and move it away. Hang on, what's going on here? Anyway, that's fine. Let's do it again. So I'll delete it in AR. So what I'm going to do is I'll array here to roughly here, okay, and then I'm going to align here onto this reference plane, and instead of place the last one here, I'll place the second last one. So just we just need to create another reference plane roughly here, and do a dimension, and then just use the spacing. Okay, and then we can just align to here. So now what we need to do is we just need to create a new number. So this number is just one less than number 2. So we need to add a parameter. So let's call it number 3. Okay, so and okay, and go to family types. Number 3 equals number 2 minus 1. Okay, so click OK, and that's it. Now let's have a look. Go to 3D view. So this is the family, and then if we change, so for example, if we change this one to 3 meter, so we'll see we will have more holes or voids, right? So if I change this one to 1200, so you can see the spacing stay the same because we didn't change the spacing. The number will be increased. If we change this one, so for example 50, so we will have more holes. Yep, that's all. Offset, so you can adjust offset, and of course it will also change the number of these holes, right? So, and yep, so this is it. So basically when you need to create like arrays of these void, its best option is to create a face-based family and nest it into the family. So this way you can quite easily constrain them onto a reference plans. Okay, so this is it. I think let's have a look. Okay, so basically this is hopefully this answers this question, and I'll just quickly because this one we've done quite a lot of railings just not long ago, right? So this is a very basic railing. So I'll just quickly maybe just to talk about this. Okay, so when we do railings, so if we want to do this one, so how can we do it, right? So I'll just do a screenshot. Okay, so basically in railing there are different elements. So first this one, so this one can be either top rail or just a rail, a railing. Okay, and this one can be another railing. Okay, so this is two options for this one, but this one can be railing. Okay, and then all these vertical member can be just baluster. Okay, so you can just use different profile, different size. So for example, you can have one, and so from host to the top rail or this railing. Okay, you can set so this is a base, this is top, and then these ones, the base of these ones will be this railing. Okay, and then you just need to repeat. I think we can just quickly try to do it. Okay, so okay, so because railing is a system family, so we can't really create a family using a family template. We need to go to a project and create a railing. Okay, so let's just create this. There are already all different types here, so maybe when you try to create a railing, you can start with one that is similar. So let's just place one. Okay, so go to 3D view. So this is it. Maybe just have a look. So what we have here. So and then pick one that is similar. So this is quite similar already. Anyway, so let's just start from here. This one. Okay, so edit type. I'll call it new, and then so first let's have a look. So this one, there's a top rail, so we can just use this one. So let's pretend this is a top rail. It's all good, and then we just need to add another horizontal. Okay, so to add another horizontal, so we will need to go to rail structure. Okay, so go here. So actually I'm going to use the same. So this one's 50 by 50, so we can go here, insert, and rail height. So because this one, so looks like let's just make it like maybe 100. Okay, high 100 high, and profile. So we'll see if we can find that 50 by 50. So if we need to set material, so I'll do it here. Okay, so click OK and apply. So you will see there's a horizontal and looks like 50 is in the middle. So but yeah, so looks like we might need to increase this a little bit. So okay, apply. Maybe 50 by 50. Maybe let's use circular. How about that? Maybe 40. Okay, and then maybe we can change this one to a different one as well. So click on here. So these are the top rails. So maybe there's already a 40 as well. So let's just use that. Apply. All good. And then we just need to go. So all the verticals baluster, right? So we're going to start with this one. And also this, if this is the start beginning of the railing, you have another option for this one as well. So that is, you go to baluster placement. So that's start post. Okay, so that can be the start post, and on the other side can be the end post. But in the middle, you can use corner. But when you create, that means when you need to manually like break the sketch lines to in order to place the corner. But if you do not want to do it like manually, you will need to adjust this. Okay, so you need to adjust. So let me show you how. Let me show you. Maybe I'll show you these two options. Okay, so first option is so you can just use one, and then maybe I'll set 100, and that's it. And then I'll choose a maybe bigger round, slightly different. Okay, so maybe I'll use maybe round 25, for example, and I'll just Control C, Control V, Control V, and then that's it. Click OK. Oh, hang on, sorry, forgot. So we need to change this one, change the base of this to the rail. So this one's new rail, bracket 1. Top is top rail, which is correct. So click OK, apply. Okay, so now you can see this is it. So, but you might ask, oh, where's the middle one? So because this in this one, we're going to use manually. We're going to use a corner post, and we need to place them manually. So what we're going to do is going to edit path. So this line. So you can use split line. Okay, so you can SL split line. So for example, I'll just quickly. So you can just split it like doing this, right? Oh, good. So let's pretend it's all like equal size and finish. So now you will see these are the they are actually the corner post. Okay, so because when you have you know, sketch line that when you split the sketch line, it will create this. So yeah, I think this is this. But you how can we do it like automatically? So okay, so let me show you. Let's I'll just duplicate this one. Okay, to create a different one. So if you need to do it automatically, first let's edit path. So I'm just going to make it just one sketch, right? Okay, and then we need to go to edit type, plus the placement. And okay, so we need to do it here. So let's go back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12. So we need to duplicate this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think that's it. Okay, so and then we will need another one. So let's just duplicate and change this one to round 25, and also change the base to host. Host means in this case is level, ground level, or floor level. And I think that will be it. So let's click OK, apply. That's it. So now you can see why is that? Something's not right. Maybe that's let's have a look. Edit path. No. Yeah, not sure why. Go there. Maybe that's something. Oh, that's probably the start post or end post. We need to. Yeah, I'm not sure actually which ones start. I think this one's the end. Maybe let me think. Maybe spread to fit. I don't know. I'll click OK. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. So yeah. So this is it. So if you don't want to do the all these, oh hang on, wrong one. If you don't want to do this, you can just simply have this. Just with this setting, corner post, you can just split the sketch line to place the corner post. But this one is using the baluster placement. So which this one are these, okay, and these are corner post. So they are exactly the same look, but different element in the railing setting. So okay, so this is it. We did 2, so I think that's enough for today. So yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know. Maybe I'll save these 2 family. Maybe I'll just load this one into the project as well. So and then save this file so you can have a look. If you have any questions, please let me know. So okay, so because we use type parameter, so it's all here. Okay, so you can change it here. Yeah, all good. So thank you. I will see you next time. Bye.